Summon Penelope and all the women of the house, then instruct them to come down. Yes, sir. I'm so uncertain. Should I hold back and expect the worst, or should I believe that what I hear is true and embrace him?
Mother, how can you be so cruel? Why don't you sit next to Father and discuss with him what you wish to know?
Telemachus, how can I be certain this is truly your father? If it is him, we shall know.
Let your mother test me in our hall. She will soon see that what I claim is true.
Maid? Yes? Bring the bed crafted by Odysseus himself. You'll find it in the master bedroom.
Of course, it will be hard for anyone to move, for it was made around the olive tree that grew in my bedroom.
Oh, Odysseus, it truly is you! More!